I guess what I guess what I would say is that um, they come, a tropical storm and a snowstorm come with different issues. I think the single biggest difference between them is the timing associated with the move to get all of the gear that these folks have to get out onto the highways and the roads at exactly the same time that everybody's trying to get home. There's a timing issue associated with that you don't have with respect to this. You never want to be in a position around snowstorms where you're literally sending everybody home at exactly the same time in the midst of the storm when all of that stuff that these guys have is trying to get out on the roads and clear them. You don't have that issue with respect to tropical storms, but most of the rest of it is pretty much under what I would describe as a framework of plan for the worst, make sure you've communicated with all the folks in local government and the other agencies that you need to, do the best you can to station assets in locations where you think they can be most helpful to help solve problems and deal with the power issues, the vehicle issues, the debris issues, whatever they might be. And then make sure you have enough folks who are talking to each other on a pretty regular basis once it gets started to make sure you don't miss something.